I have had an amazing opportunity here to deepen my understanding, and I know that it's the first biopharmaceutical facility in Egypt and Africa and Middle East. They form the biologics from A to Z, continuous learning, which drive me to explore myself in this field. I want to have a good impact in people's health.
Hello everyone and welcome to Minapharm's podcast. Today we'll be hosting one of the interns who joined Minapharm's internship program and we'll be talking more about their experience and their thoughts. Today we have Nada. Hello Nada.
Hello,
Tell me more about yourself and your background.
my name is Nada. I'm 23 years old. I'm studying pharmacy at German University in Cairo. Pursuing my dream of becoming a pharmacist has been one of my greatest achievements so far. One of my passions outside pharmacy is theater. I find joy and creativity in acting. It's helped me to express myself even more and develop different aspects of my personality.
And what did you choose the pharma industry specifically?
I have been fascinated by science and how it's impact the health of human. And the potential of pharmacy to impact healthcare and develop innovative treatments to solve real-world problems such as the pandemic COVID-19 and the developed vaccines. That's what attracted me to pharmacy at all.
Yeah, talking about the biologics and the biotechnology, when was the first time that you heard about the term biotechnology?
I heard it before at university, but in a basic info, as in biotechnology is a technology uses living organism to produce products. That's all.
What did you learn more about this when you came to the internship?
I have known more about how they use the cell culture and process upscale to increase the cell number, and then they go to downstream purification of the protein, and then they come with the product that will impact human health and have a good impact. So biotech industry is a very amazing and innovative industry. I had known here in the internship that Minapharm started at 2003, and then it's called now Migentra, so I guess 21 years now. So
Almost more than 25 years.
more than 25 years,
Yeah.
and I know that it's the first biopharmaceutical facility in Egypt and Africa and Middle East.
What was your role and your responsibilities during this internship? How did it go?
I have had an amazing opportunity here to deepen my understanding and to know how science driven through innovation through healthcare. We have taught about presentation skill, communication skills, marketing strategy, business development, how to improve our CV. Then I started with Minapharm, the R&D sessions. It consists of formulation and analysis team. For me, it's the most interesting part. Then I introduced to the production team. First, we went to the warehouses and the dispensing area, then the solid and semi-solids, then the sterile area. Lastly, I think packaging. Then we went to the QC department. I had a valuable experience working on the HPLC, and I have done quality control tests such as friability test, hardness test on the tablet, and I have known a lot about the instrument there, like Carly Fisher device. Also on our last day on the QC, we have done a presentation about the hardness and how it's affect the tablets and the API, low active pharmaceutical ingredients. Then we went to Migentra. We have a full session about the QA and how it's ensured the quality of all the operations, and we have known the importance of the validations and qualifications of the equipment. Also, we known in deep details the upstream and downstream process and protein purification, and know some cell culture techniques such as YCC, MCC, and we have understood the stability studies and the importance of documentation. So I had an amazing experience.
So going back to the internship program, I want to know from you more about the collaboration between you and your moderators and the experts. I know it's always challenging for an intern to accommodate with the new culture of a company. So tell me more about this experience.
Um, I had several opportunities to collaborate with different team departments, such as quality, production, and HR department, and they were so nice and informative. They give me all the knowledge, and I have asked a lot of questions, and they don't hesitate to answer me. For me, the environment was smooth and adaptable, and really make me exciting to the work life.
Okay, and how did this change your perception about the work life or the collaboration between different departments?
I always see work life is challenging and rewarding at the same time. Um, it, I believe that work life needs continuous learning and continuous dedication. Um, and also, our work is very different and special as we impact the people health and the healthcare of everyone. So it make it a worthwhile to leave it for it.
Yeah, it's a responsibility.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's a big responsibility.
Yeah. And did you find anything insightful, or did it change anything in your perception about the industry or the pharmaceutical industry?
From the cell culture to colonies to purification protein to a product to a market, it's a really good thing and innovative and will help people in the future a lot.
Did this internship change anything in your career goals or your aspirations?
Yes, the internship helped me to decide that I want R&D, and especially in biologics, protein bioengineering.
From your opinion, how can this experience be expanded to further interns or potential interns?
I think by creating partnership with university and offer workshops will allow more students to have a practical application.
Nada, was there anything you wished to know before joining this internship?
I think I wish I had known more about biotech. As in my university, I had an adequate theoretical knowledge about the equipment, the process at all, enough theoretical knowledge, but I didn't have enough knowledge about the biotech industry. So for me here, it was a new and how they develop from A to Z the product.
Last but not least, I want to ask you about your future. What is your goal? What is your dream? What do you want to do after graduating?
I wish I can innovate new treatments to help people and have a good impact in people's health. I know it requires a lot of work and effort, but I'm glad to do that.
I'm sure Nada you'll do it one day. Thank you, Nada, so much. It was a pleasure having you.
It was my pleasure too. Thank you.
Thank you.